Here we go with lesson 2, multiplying exponentials. So, you can see here, this is the rule. So if we're multiplying x squared times x to the third, we add the exponents and get x to the fifth. A little bit of why. Well, x squared really is x times itself twice. X cubed is 3 x's multiplied. When I multiply those together, there's a total of 5 x's being multiplied. So 2 and 3 is 5. We have 5 x's multiplied total, giving us x to the fifth. Now, don't actually do it out like this. This is just the explanation. I do not want to see any of this on quizzes or tests. All right, you're going to use this rule. All right, next one. When you're multiplying these, So when you're multiplying these, really that's like 4 little terms being multiplied. So I can regroup them as I feel fit. So I'm going to put the x's next to each other, the y's next to each other. You don't have to actually write that step, but that's the way I'm thinking about it. So then that's really like an x to the 1. So now I have 3 plus 1 is 4. That's 4 x's being multiplied, x to the 4th. I add the 2 and the negative 5. And based on our previous lesson, when I have a y to the negative 3, that's got to go to the bottom. And there we go. So how do you know when you're done with one of these problems? All right, that one is done. You're done with an exponential simplification problem when all the exponents are positive, when there is one or sometimes they completely cancel out, so there's either none of the variables left or just one of each variable. You're never going to have 2 x's someplace in the expression. And then all the numbers and fractions are fully simplified. So in this one, we have a couple of just regular numbers that need to be fully simplified. So in our next one here, I regroup them, or I group them like so I can multiply in any order. I'm going to multiply the numbers first, so I deal with those on their own. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. And then I'm going to deal with the exponent rule we just learned. X to the 4th times x to the 7th is x to the 11th. So notice that's not a negative exponent. And when we get to this unit, suddenly people start taking negative numbers and doing weird stuff with them. Don't be that person, please.